game of making money online, it's been completely flipped on its head. The old rules just don't apply anymore. We're in this brand new era where that big wall, that feeling that you have to be some kind of expert to even get started, well, it's pretty much gone.
I mean, just think about it for a second. For the longest time, starting anything online felt like trying to climb this giant mountain, right? You needed all this specialized knowledge, you had to spend months learning complicated programs, and honestly, it was just intimidating for most of us.
And this really just nails the difference. We've gone from a world that was all about how good you were with expensive, complicated software to a world where your creativity is the real currency. And it's all powered by these incredible tools that are easy to use and often totally free.
Which, of course, brings us to the hero of our story today, Canva. And look, it's so much more than just a tool, it's this entire creative world that's basically democratized design for everyone. It's opened up these amazing doors for students, for freelancers, for stay-at-home parents, really for anyone who's ever wanted to start their own thing online.
So here's the game plan for today. We're going to quickly talk about this new era. Then we'll dive right into the good stuff, how to create and sell digital products, how to design for social media, what it takes to launch a freelance business, and then, the most important part, what your very next step should be to get started.
So let's start right here. With all the AI and amazing new tools out there, you just don't need a crazy background in design or tech to start earning real money. The playing field has been completely leveled, and that, my friends, changes absolutely everything. Okay, so how does this actually work? Well, let's jump into our first big strategy, creating digital products. This is such a powerful way to build passive income. The idea is so simple, but so brilliant. You build something awesome one time, and you can sell it again and again and again. And what can you make? Oh man, the possibilities are just endless. Seriously, think about what people are always looking for. Ebooks on fitness, workbooks for self-improvement, daily planners. Quick tip, by the way, if you make planners with hyperlinked tabs inside, you can sell those for a real premium. You can create gorgeous digital art people can print out, or even fun t-shirt designs. All of this stuff is super in demand.
And getting started is shockingly simple. You are not starting from a scary blank page. You just pick a niche you're into, you browse through thousands of ready-made templates in Canva, you tweak the colors and the words to make it yours, and boom, you're ready to sell. It's that straightforward.
So, where do you actually sell these things? Well, you can throw your ebooks up on Amazon KDP, list your digital planners on a marketplace like Etsy, or sell your workbooks on Gumroad. These platforms do all the heavy lifting, the payments, the delivery, so you can just focus on the fun part, which is creating. And this is a really cool related idea. It's called print on demand. All you do is upload your designs. That's it. When someone buys a t-shirt with your awesome design on it, another company prints it and ships it directly to them. No factory, no boxes of inventory in your garage, no hassle, just pure profit.
Okay, let's switch gears. We've talked about passive products, now let's talk about active services. The entire world runs on social media, and every single brand needs a constant fire hose of great-looking content. This is a massive opportunity just waiting for you.
But you might be sitting there thinking, yeah, okay, but is there really that much demand? Like, who are these clients I'd even be working for? Just take a look. The market is absolutely huge. Influencers and YouTubers need new content every single day to stay relevant. Small business owners need to look professional to stand a chance. Even students and startups need stuff for their projects. They all have the ideas, but what they don't have is the time or the design skills. That's where you come in. And what would you be making for them? The essentials. The stuff that actually moves the needle. We're talking about eye-catching Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails that get people to click, and professional LinkedIn carousels that make them look like experts. These aren't just pretty pictures, they're critical business assets. So this brings us to the whole world of freelancing. You can literally position yourself as a graphic designer and offer a whole menu of services, all powered by Canva. You can forget about Photoshop or Illustrator, you can deliver pro-level results without that insane learning curve. And just think about the real tangible value you can provide. You can design a killer logo for a brand new business. You can create a beautiful resume that literally changes someone's life by landing them their dream job. You can build entire branding kits that help a small company look polished and trustworthy. These are all services you can start offering today on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. And listen, this is the most important thing to remember. This is what it all comes down to. Your client isn't paying you to be a wizard with some complex software. They're paying you for a result. They need a logo that looks awesome.
They need a presentation that wows investors. How you get there? That doesn't matter, as long as the final product is fantastic.
All right, we've covered the what and the how, but now let's talk about those final hurdles. Those little voices of doubt in the back of your head that might still be holding you back.
Yeah, this is a super common fear. What happens if you scroll through all those templates and nothing feels quite right? Or what if you just stare at the screen and feel stuck? You don't even know which button to click first.
Well, Canva has an incredible answer for this. It's called Canva AI. You just type what you want in plain English, like create a logo for a coffee shop with a mountain theme, and it will generate totally unique options for you right on the spot. It's not just an image maker. It suggests layouts, font pairings, color palettes. It is literally like having a professional designer on call 24/7, ready to help.
And what if you feel like you're just missing a certain skill? Well, Canva has you covered there too. The Design School is this massive library packed with free courses and tutorials on, well, everything. And it's all right there inside the app. You never have to leave the platform to get better.
And believe me, we have only just scratched the surface today. There are dozens and dozens of other ways to make money with Canva, from creating wedding invitations to formatting business reports, even designing online course materials. What we've talked about, digital products, social media, freelancing, that's really just the beginning.
So I guess this is the real question, isn't it? In a world where you have free tools to create anything you want, free education to learn anything you need, and AI assistance to help you whenever you get stuck, what's actually standing in your way?
Because at the end of the day, all the tools and all the opportunities in the world, they don't mean a thing without action. The technology is here. The market is absolutely waiting. The only thing missing right now is you taking that